Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? Alhamdulillah, all praises be to the great Rabbul Alameen who is keeping me healthy. I am currently standing on the rooftop of our madrasa. It is a quiet place, and a quiet place is definitely needed for learning English or practicing speaking English. That's why I have chosen this quiet place to learn English. The environment here is a beautiful, so I really like this place. There are many beautiful trees around me, all of which are a gift from the great Allah Rabbul Alameen. The trees I see behind me are betel nut trees, and there are many coconut trees to my right. I can also see a coconut tree in front of me. This is a farmer's field. The farmers grow various crops, especially rice. Rice is grown once a year in this field, and this is how the farmers spend their year in peace and happiness. When the rice harvest is poor, the farmers become worried. But even when the rice harvest is poor, Allah Pak Rabbul Alamin has filled us with peace and happiness.